Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel TT's Footprints. Today I bring you a quick and tasty baby corn appetizer. This dish will not take more than 5 minutes chopping and 5 minutes cooking, but the end result is a lip smacking appetizer. If you are new to my channel and this is your first visit, hello and welcome. I do post such interesting and simple recipes every week. Do join me in my journey of learning together. Let's begin by cutting the baby corns in a slant. I have used 2 packets of baby corns over here. Keep this aside and let's start with the dry batter. Combine the cornstarch, salt and pepper. Mix well and add in the baby corns. See that each piece of baby corn is well coated with the flour. If required, you can parboil this baby corn before coating it with the flour. As these baby corns were very tender and it had to be deep fried, I haven't parboiled it first. Heat sufficient oil for deep frying in a pan, and when it is nice and hot, deep fry the baby corns in 2 batches. As we have used cornstarch for coating, it has a tendency to stick together. So keep stirring the baby corns till they are nice and golden brown. When all the baby corns are deep fried, keep it aside. Now cut the spring onions too in a slant. And finally chop the green chilies. In the same pan, heat some more oil and stir fry the spring onion whites, green chilies and ginger and garlic paste. If you have oil remaining from the fried baby corns, use them first before using any fresh oil. Add in the fried baby corns and toss well. Add in salt and pepper as per your taste and finally garnish with spring onion greens. Give a final toss and serve it immediately. This is a must-try recipe as it is not only quick and simple but so tasty and delicious that the demand will never stop coming. If you enjoy watching my videos and find them helpful, please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for further notifications. Also, do not forget to share them with your family and friends. Thank you for watching and meet you soon in my next one.